Hello everyone, this is Newark Aviation, and today I have another unboxing video. Today we're going to be unboxing the NG models, United Boeing 757-200 in the Continental United livery. Now, what's really cool about this is it was essentially free. So what I did was I had a bunch of points from NG models. Normally what they have is every time you purchase a model, they'll give you a card with a code on it that you'll be able to, get points. And when you get enough points, you'll be able to exchange those points for a free model. So I think that's really cool, but either way, you're still gonna have to pay for shipping. But yeah, I'm really excited to open it up and check it out. So yeah, let's just go ahead and do that. Alright, and here's the model itself right here. Let me get that out of the way, and yeah, let's review the model. So starting off at the front here, we have the cockpit windows, and then we have the L1 door, L2, and then the back one right there. Here's the United title, the older livery, and I'm just gonna get zoomed out a little bit. Here's the engine right there, front landing gear, and then we have the gold tail, the Continental tail right there, and then the registration. Let me zoom in and get it. November 41135. On the top here we have the Wi-Fi box, the antennas, and the American flag, and let's turn it around almost this exact as the other side, and then the bottom right there, really nice. Oh yeah, and so yeah, that's the model, and yeah, I forgot to go over the box, so let's just do that real quick. Let me just get it back here. Alright, here's the box. So we have the Boeing 757-200 with the United title right there. Here's the Continental globe right there. Here's the aircraft itself, NG models right there. And then we have the Boeing logo on the bottom, licensing. And then here's the back as well. Almost the same as the front. And then here's the side, registration November 41135. So yeah, I think it was a really nice model right there, and yeah, NG did a really good job, and I think they're doing a great job with their exchange program too. I'm excited for the future with that. So yeah, I want to thank you so much for watching, and see ya.